Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to activate the perfect gift card for 2025. Whether it's a gift for a friend, family, or even yourself, getting it activated is the key to unlocking its full potential. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you do it right the first time. Let's dive in. First, start by unpacking your gift card. Look for the activation code, which is usually printed on the back or in the packaging. This code is essential, so jot it down or keep the card handy. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and head to the official website, www.theperfectgiftcard.com/2025. It's mobile friendly, so you can do this on the go. Once you're on the site, click on the Activate Now button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Just enter your email address, choose a secure password, and verify your details. It's quick and secure. If you're already registered, simply log in with your credentials. Now, in the activation section, enter the activation code from your card. You'll also need to input the card number and any PIN if required. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid errors. Hit the Activate button and wait a few seconds for confirmation. You'll get a success message on screen or via email. To ensure it's all set, test your card by checking the balance online or making a small purchase. One quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like an invalid code, make sure you're using the latest website version and contact customer support through the help section. They're there to assist. And that's it. You've successfully activated your perfect gift card for 2025. Now you can enjoy shopping without any hitches. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.